G'day, I'm Greg Steele, Chief Technology Officer at Clear Dynamics. We're an advanced software development organisation creating enterprise-class solutions across many organisations and industries, including finance, health, government, education and energy. We run offices across multiple locations. Our headquarters is Bendigo. We have offices in Melbourne and Sydney, and we also have many people working remotely across the country. So we needed a good VC solution. We've set up this Sydney office recently and we've put in place two great VC setups. One in our boardroom with double screens and one in another meeting room next to the water over a window behind me. We had a couple of challenges with it. The boardroom, we needed to have a good setup that could handle 20 or 30 people in that room. Over the window by the water, we needed to have able to handle a lot of light coming in the window with our great views across Sydney. So we engaged Fastrack to install those solutions and get them up and working for us. They did that over a matter of days, got exactly the equipment we needed. It's all been in place now for about 6 months. It's all hooked up to our Microsoft Teams so we can easily book meeting rooms, use those rooms. We can hook existing meetings into the VC if we need to. We had an existing setup in Bendigo that's also hooked up to Teams. It's also been able to work in really seamlessly with that setup. Working with Fastrack has been great. Very responsive. I've worked with Fastrack in a previous organisation as well. Had a great experience there too. So we know that Fastrack covers lots and lots of different things that we might like to do in the future as well, including networks, service providers, and being able to really help our office work efficiently and help us keep working in these times when people are everywhere. They're remote, they're in the office, they always need to be able to communicate and work. So Fastrack's been a big part of us being able to make all of that work.